Alright, here we go. We are going to record this mock-up modification. What we have done is we cut, and this is, by the way, this is Mr. Bynum, Jeff Bynum. This is the tread that we removed from the mock-up, and then what we did was we took these brackets and attached them by bolting them onto both of the stringers. The reason it has to be two pieces is because you could not access this bolt with the pan on it, and as you can see, these are tapped. All right, Mr. Bynum, would you lay our pan on top of there? Got it? Yeah. All right, see, and now the intention here is to be able to put this on and line up the little bolt holes. And I will do the same over here. There we go. And that's basically, now I will design a tool, a portaband saw fixture that you can attach to your existing stringers to make removing the old pan cost effective. And basically, I think that's all that we really need to show you on how to put. And then I put this vertical lip on the back that's 3 inches high that will be the back surface for the stone. We don't have to put any post to restrain the stone because you can glue it right to that back and base plate. All right, and now Mr. Bynum, show me how to put the skirt in place. And now that gives you that's a pretty good look, quite acceptable, I think. And then on this one is where I'm going to do the second skirt, and I'm going to let the skirt profile end up here so that we can keep, instead of 3 inches that we have here, we're going to cut this down to 2 and have the same stone that fits into this and onto here will fit into here. And that will be my next published YouTube video.